Creating a document in Teamhub helps you capture and share information in one central place. To get started, hover over your hub and click the plus icon. Select New Document to continue. You can choose to use a template from the library or start from scratch. Select Start from Scratch to create a blank document. Give your document a clear title, choose a color for the document icon, decide whether the document should be private or public, and click Create. Once your document is created, you can begin adding content right away. Hover anywhere in the document and click the plus icon to browse formatting options. Or, for a faster workflow, simply type a / to open the formatting menu. From here, you can add headings, lists, tables, and other elements to structure your content. If you hover to the top of the document, you'll see additional page options. You can edit the page layout, add a subtitle, choose an icon, and add a banner to personalize the document. On the left panel, you can also add new pages to your document. This helps you organize information into sections and keep longer documents clean and structured.